Hello and welcome to our final project for CE170. Uh, our group has created an organizer for your favorite recipes and recipes to easily get to when you are hungry and you don't really know what to decide. This calculator can help you decide what to cook um, and how to get to those recipes easily. So this is our first page here. You have some instructions here to select what type of food you want to make. So if you click on this button here, it'll bring up um, this user form for you, and you can decide if you want to make breakfast, lunch, or dinner, what kind of food you want to make, and the degree of difficulty you want to make as well. So if I say I want to make breakfast myself, um, from the Asian region, and let's say I want an easy recipe. If you click OK, it'll bring up this message box saying that they found a match. If you say yes, then it will bring up the website. It'll take you straight to the website on the web browser of that recipe. And if you click no or cancel, it'll bring up the next recipe if you have another recipe. So let's say we want to click yes. It brings up this tab here. And it brings you to that specific recipe. So let's go back to our Excel sheet here. Basically, that was our project. Also, here's our help page for gives you more directions. Basically, all the coding goes through this list here that runs through our list and decides the different categories and level of difficulty in the regions and the linked URLs to that recipe as well. The last thing that we also have is if you want to add your favorite recipe for let's say you have your favorite recipe and you wanted to add something to it, you could just go, let's say you find a recipe here and you say scrambled eggs. So let's just say you like this one here, you've already done it before. You can copy the URL and you say, oh well, this is an easy recipe, an American dish, and it's a breakfast dish. So the recipe, you put the name in, scrambled eggs, and you link your URL here, and that will be added to our list here. So if you ever wanted to come back and you say, let's cook, let's say you want a breakfast, an American dish, and an easy dish, you press OK, and this shows you the first recipe. If you say no, it'll come up with the next one. And the next one you say yes, it'll bring you back to this recipe that you just found. So that is our project in a nutshell. It's pretty fun. We had some fun creating it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.